Alright guys, so here is my Cadchf monthly time frame analysis. We are going to be starting from the monthly time frame all the way to our forward time frame. So let's see how it goes. So here I'm going to be shrinking the market to see the overall view of the market. You can see the market has been falling for a very long time now. And then currently we are at this bottom here. So at this bottom, before market gets to this bottom here, you can see the creation of this M pattern here. Or should I say the double top at the top here. You can see the creation of this M pattern, and after the creation of this M pattern, we have a resistance here. In essence, we are looking out for the market to go back into that area. So we are looking out for the market to go back into this area before any rejection to the downside. And then if we have to look out from the left hand side there, you notice that the market is currently testing this area, giving us um giving us an invert head and shoulder pattern here. So you can see the two shoulders, and then we have our head. So our invert head and shoulder here. So this is what you are looking at on the monthly time frame. But then for the recent for the current movement of the market, or should I say recent movement of the market, we have this M pattern being created here, and then we have this support turn resistance now. So we just have to buy all the way to that area and then see what the market gives us from there. We might break to the upside, it's still fine. Remember, market is reactive and not predictive. So let's go to our lower time frame. Let's go to our weekly time frame. Sorry. So on our weekly time frame here, we are currently sitting on that area, and then you can see all the movements created here. So you can see from the weekly time frame, we have this trend. The market is still in this downtrend, and then the market in that downtrend, we have the break of this area here, which should be acting as our resistance. So in essence, we are going to be looking out for the market to get to this area, and if the market have to reject, then that's okay. If the market have to break to the top, that's still fine. But then what we are focusing on right now is the current market and what we can get out of it from here all the way to this zone and this trend line. So that's it. So that's the area there. So let's see more price action from the lower time frames. We'll go down to our daily time frame here. So on our daily time frame, you can see the market create this bottom here. So that's the double bottom being created here, and then after this double bottom, we broke this neckline right here. The market came back to test on it. So coming back, testing on it, the market rally all the way up, and then we are coming back again. So we are looking out for the market to come back to test this area, or still deep down a little bit, testing again this area, giving us a double bottom here again before the market rally to the upside. That's it on the daily time frame. And from here as well, you notice the trend from here. We have a counter trend line here, and then we broke the counter trend line, came back for a retest inside this zone, and then left that area. So let's see, let's go down to our lower time frame, our forward time frame. That would be the last time frame here, and see what we have here. So you can see the bottom, and then after the break of the bottom, what do we have? We have this double bottom here as well. We have this double bottom here as well, a breakout, and then we got the market come back for a retest. We got the market come back for a retest, have the market rally all the way through. We have this W pattern formed inside here. We have the market come back to this area for a retest. Now we broke this highs again, so this is our higher high here. which was broken, created a new higher high, a higher low down here, and then what are we looking at for now? We are looking at for a new higher low. So you're looking at for a new higher low inside here. So all we want to see now is the market rejecting this area to the upside. So that's it. And then if you watch the change of market structure here, you notice that you are currently making a uptrend market here. You can see that trend line. So you are currently creating an uptrend market here. So we want to see the market buy all the way to the top there. So that's it. So that's it, guys. If you want to see more content like this, do it to subscribe, as I'm going to be dropping more top-down analysis on some of the pairs that might have a significant move from the in the next coming week. So do it to subscribe, and also remember to click the notification button so that you don't miss out on these guys. So that's it. See you next time.